Can anyone explain to me how we can make $1,000 from just one video, just like this one? Take a look. The video was black and white and it was edited to color. That's it. In just 3 steps. Step number 3 will make you 10 times more money. Step 1, go to YouTube, use free information, free videos, and learn color grading. As a software, you can use the Vinci Resolve 100% free. Step number 2, make short videos just like this one. Some of your videos will go viral and get 29 million views. We are going to make money from these, but before that, we will use step number 3. Go to Udemy and create your own course of color grading. At the beginning, you can give away your course for free just to collect some student ratings. Once you get tons of 5-star ratings, start charging $9.99. Now, how much money do you think you can make? We asked ChatGPT to calculate. If 29 million views, if 1% of the 29 million viewers purchase the $9.99 Udemy course, and according to Udemy, 37% of the revenue goes to the course creator, then you will earn $1,072,000 from the video views you get from your viral video. However, there is a problem. This problem might make you mad. First of all, most of your videos will not go viral in reality. So making $1 million from one video and one Udemy course is highly unreal. The second problem is you need good skills to make a Udemy course. That will take you a lot of time. That's why we don't follow this process. Our process is simple and we make $500 commissions in the process. We use AI to learn fast. Just look at this. Instead of wasting time checking things out, we just asked AI and got our calculations right. Then we make simple and short videos. Multiple videos are then uploaded to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And of course, we don't depend on virality. All of our viewers go through an automated sales funnel. This sales funnel sells $1,000 product to these viewers. And when there is a sale, we make $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the best part our students love our program for is that it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.